crawling on a leaf. D, 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 D is for dragonfly zooming like a thief. E, 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 E is for earwig hiding in the ground. F, F is for firefly glowing all around. T, 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 T is for grasshopper hopping up high. H, H is for honeybee buzzing near the sky. I is for inchworm wiggling slow. J, 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 J is for jewel beetle sparkling in a row. K, 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 K is for katydid singing in the tree. L, 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 L is for ladybug cute as can be. From A to Z the bugs are fun, creeping, flying in the sun. Wiggle, buzz, or flap your wing. Come along, let's laugh and sing. N is for mosquito flying with a hum. N is for net-winged beetle, look at how they come. O is for owl, butterfly, big and bright eye. P is for praying mantis, quiet as they hide. Q is for peanut butterfly floating with grace. R is for rhino beetle strong in a race. S is for stick insect blending with the tree. T is for termite munching secretly. U is for unicorn mantis rare and grand. V is for velvet ant crawling through the sand. W is for wasp with a stripy look. X is for xylocopa bee in a garden nook. Y is for yellow jacket buzzing all day. Z is for zebra butterfly dancing in May. From A to Z the bugs are fun, creeping, flying in the sun. Wiggle, buzz, or flap your wing. Come along, let's laugh